Mischievous Microbes. There was a little child in a town who never liked washing their hands. Even after playing every day, they wouldn't wash their hands. However, there was something the child didn't know. Tiny but mischievous microbes lived on their hands. These microbes were always up to some new mischief every day. Today, they had decided to add a new adventure to their escapades. The microbes decided to descend from the child's hand to the playground below. In the playground, the microbes would swing on swings, slide down slides, and secretly jump onto other children. After a while, the microbes made new microbe friends in the playground. But the mischiefs of the microbes started causing itchiness and discomfort on the children's hands. Noticing this, the child understood why their hands were itching and that they were dirty. The child decided to wash their hands to end the adventure. The microbes panicked at the sight of soap and water. They started to flee, shouting, "Run away!" As the child washed their hands thoroughly with soap and water, the microbes disappeared one by one. After rinsing and drying their hands, the child noticed how clean and nicely scented they were. From that day on, the child made sure to always wash their hands after playing outside.